Hi, Amber here for Dave. Stocks are lower and bonds are slightly higher following the weekend announcement of 30% tariffs beginning August 1st for the EU and Mexico. This weekend, Marjorie Taylor Greene introduced a bill that instead of getting a $250,000 tax break for single filers and a $500,000 tax break for joint filers, there'll be no tax at all on the sale of your home. This, of course, is per sale, not cumulative. Again, a tax break for larger income earners. But I guess it could help up in freeing higher end inventory. The big news this week will be the CPI and PPI, or Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index, which will focus on inflation. The CPI headline is expected to come in between 0.255 and 0.3%, which will be replacing a 0.09%, showing a 2.5% to 3% increase. This is the reason the Fed chair has been holding back on lowering rates. This week, Tuesday, is the CPI, Wednesday, mortgage apps, the PPI, industrial production, and the Fed's Beige Book. Thursday, we'll see retail sales and initial jobless claims, and Friday, housing starts. This week, of course, watch the CPI and PPI numbers. We're opening the week recommending locking rates.
I am Dave Kosmecki. Call us today. Let us make your dreams come true.
Thanks for calling the Dave Kosmecki team. How can we help?